that this is in the right settings. So I go to setting, and go to check mark, and I go to down, 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 oops. Emergency sensitivity, check mark. Okay, it just decided to do something. I don't know what it's doing right now. It's recording because I bumped it. So there's just proof that it records when it's not supposed to. Okay, it's the windshield wipers. The windshield wipers are vibrating the window, and it's making it record because it thinks it's in an accident. So that's annoying, but check this out. You go into settings, and you go function settings, and you go to emergency sensitivity. Ah! It thinks I'm bumping it because I'm touching the buttons. Well, you can see that it's off because when I hit the button, I'm gonna do a gentle function, down, 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 check mark. See, those are not checked. High, low, off. So emergency is off. Can you even see that? Look, it's off. So it's off, and yet I'm still getting emergency notifications. Even the rest of them. I think I turned like parking sensitivity. Okay, that's parking, so we're not parking. And time lapse, normal, yeah, none of this stuff. High temp, low, yeah, so it's not working. You can hear it making the noise. See? It's saying burst record. So I think it's because it's feeling vibration, thinking that I'm getting in an accident. Oh no. But it's very annoying because it's constantly beeping all of the time and it doesn't save the files together. What is it doing? It just took a photo? I have no idea what it's doing. Take a photo. Save photo. Take photo. Yeah. Take photo. Take video. So that works. Maybe it thinks I'm saying video. I don't know. Anyways.